Today's video will introduce the newest member of our family. It is the Plantsio Ivy Smart Planter. I immediately noticed the instruction booklet when I opened the package. You may find comprehensive instructions for setting up and using your robot in the user manual. Three smaller boxes are nestled inside a larger box. The first container holds a charging cord. The second container houses decorative stones in a variety of colors. There are white pebbles in the other container as well. Let's take a closer look at the robot. I followed the screen's instructions. They were simple and easy to follow. I downloaded the app and connected it to Ivy. The robot requested a Bluetooth connection. The pairing with the robot was easy. Then, I entered my internet information. I filled the ivy with water and added the succulent. The moment I placed the flower, Ivy came to life. She is so cute. I chose what my plant is. My plant is succulent. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Some new videos are in the works, and one of them will be a special introduction to Ivy. Plus, if you want to know when I upload this video and the special Christmas video, just click the bell below. Click on the videos that are presently playing, or look for the playlist in the description below to find more videos to watch. I am A.I. Sveti. This is Ivy. In their box, Emo Joe and Emo Tai are sleeping. Goodbye, and see you again soon.